Design Hub, empowering educational excellence and designing futures together.
Hey there, students. High school is a wild ride with classes, friends, and maybe even a part-time job. That's a lot to handle. One thing that will make it all easier: good study habits. They're like superpowers for your brain. Think of your favorite superhero. They practice and train to master their skills, right? Studying is your training ground. It's how you learn and grow, getting ready to take on the world. Did you know scientists actually study studying? It's true. They've found some super effective ways to learn. We're not talking about cramming all night before a test. That's like trying to build a rocket in a day. Instead, we're talking about proven methods backed by science. One strategy that works is active recall. It's all about testing yourself on the material or teaching the info to someone else. This helps your brain remember the information. Let's break down these strategies with some real-life examples. Say you're learning about photosynthesis in biology class. Instead of just reading the chapter, try this. Active recall. Close your book and explain photosynthesis to an imaginary friend. What are the key steps? What are the important terms? Draw a diagram to visualize the process. Spaced repetition. Review your notes a few days later. Test yourself again a week later, and again the week after that. You'll be amazed at how much you remember. These strategies work for any subject. Experiment and see what works best for you. Remember, everyone learns differently, so find what helps your brain light up. Section 4, making it stick. Memory tricks. Our brains are incredible, but sometimes they need a little help remembering things. These are like fun little shortcuts for your brain. One classic memory trick is using acronyms like Roy G. by V for the colors of the rainbow. Try making your own acronyms for lists or concepts. Another cool trick is visualization. Our brains love pictures. Try turning information into a funny image or story. Boost your brain power. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. But even brains need a little TLC. Get enough sleep. Aim for 8 to 10 hours each night. Fuel your body. Think of healthy foods as brain food. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains give your brain energy. Take breaks. Studying for hours can be overwhelming. Take regular breaks to move your body or relax your mind. You'll come back feeling refreshed and ready to learn. Section 6. You're going to ace high school. High school might seem daunting, but with the right tools and mindset, you've got this. Use effective study strategies, take care of your well-being, and believe in yourself.